Hi, I'm here at 218 Southeast Jarriel Street in Collins, Georgia, doing the repair test right before this little rainstorm's coming in. It's just a small sprinkle. This is my test shingle. As you can see, I have my snake in hand. I'm going to carefully remove this shingle as I see that this is already wind damaged. So I'm going to attempt to remove this shingle, get the nails out of this and the shingle above it. And I'm going to use a snake and do minor creases and try to keep shingles around it from getting damaged. And prop my phone up. Okay. So as you know, to get the nails out of this shingle, I gotta get up underneath this. So first I'm gonna adhere this shingle. As you see, I'm already tearing that shingle up. Okay, the test shingle is up, completely unadhered. So as you know, I'm gonna have to get up underneath the shingle above it. So I'm going to unadhere this one very carefully. Oh, I'm already starting to tear it just a little bit. I'm gonna be careful up underneath this tooth right here. Yeah, I got a small tear right there. I'm gonna continue to be careful. Before I continue, I'll document this tear. But as I'm trying to remove this shingle, you can see a small tear right here. And I haven't even made it across the shingle yet. Fall back. Small tear in this shingle, this side of the shingle as well. Okay, I got this shingle fully adhered. Now it's time to find the nails in this shingle. So, come up underneath this one. Okay, I got nail number 1 out. Nope, not fully. Nail number 1. So this shingle, put it all the way over here. So I'm sure there's one up underneath this shingle as well. So I'll try to get this corner up carefully. Small tear in this shingle as well. This roof is just simply not repairable. I'm causing too many tears in this shingle and in this shingle already without removing more than 1 nail. I will continue for the video's sake. I will be as careful as possible. So test shingle here. Gotta get up underneath it. There it is, found the nail. Nail number 2 out. Without causing too much damage to that side shingle. Rain's starting to come in. Three. This isn't even worth it. I'm putting so much damage to these shingles. All right, I got those nails out. Now it's time to get the ones above this one out. Okay, as you can see, this is our test shingle. I got up underneath one to get the nails out, and you can see a tear here from adhesion just pulling up. Also had to go over to this shingle. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this shingle to get this nail out, and you can see it starting to tear here. This roof is just simply not repairable. I do not feel comfortable moving forward with this repair test. I've only removed 3 nails from this shingle, and it is still secured. I am not going to proceed any further simply because I am already causing damage to one. Let me mark this, sorry. I'm already starting to cause damage to 1, 2 locations on one shingle. The side shingle from trying to get this nail out. Nothing over here so far, but we come up to this shingle. We come up to this shingle. We have to get the nails out for this one. So before the rain comes down any harder, I think I got a break in it. So I'm underneath this shingle, got the nails out of here. I got to get the nails out up under here. And the thing is, they got to go through shingles. So I do not feel comfortable continuing this repair test simply because of the amount of damage I'm going to cause to the surrounding shingles. Thank you. Rain is holding off at 218 Southeast Jarriel Street in Collins. I'm going to try to finish this repair test even though I do not feel comfortable. So as you know, I've removed the shingles from the top layer of this shingle from underneath here. Now I have to get the next layer of nails out from under here. So I'm going to put my phone back on the stand and finish recording. See how many. So as you can see, just from me pulling this test shingle out, I have done damage to this shingle here, this shingle here, and I've started to cause this shingle to bounce and cause fraying at the top, along with damage to this shingle when removing this top right nail, which are blown. You can see that they're going to be blown in other shingles. Now I'm going to take my repair shingle and install very carefully so that the nails, when I hammer back in with my snake, doesn't cause more damage. I've already had to pre-cut this shingle a couple inches because this shingle and my shingle do not match. So I'm going to carefully slide this shingle up underneath this broken one. There's a nail sticking up that blew out, so I'm going to have to remove that nail to get this shingle installed. There we go. So now I'm going to take new nails. It's not working. I'm going to take new nails. Got 4 in hand, 5. Put my first one in my snake. Grab a hammer. Put the other ones in the pocket because I don't need them right now. As you know, lift this up, put it on the edge, go down. Doesn't go in all the time first try. Sometimes you gotta move locations. Not down all the way, so now I'm gonna put this over it, tack it down. Oh yeah. Did that go down? Nope. Okay. That did, yeah, there we go. Second nail. Up underneath this broken shingle already. Let's get that propped up good. Two. Nail number 3. Get this nail down all the way. First layer of shingles in. Nail number 4. Dripping sweat, as you can see. Nail number 4, I lifted those shingles up. Now I got to get up underneath this shingle. Be very careful as I'm hammering it. Four, 5, and 6 about to go in. Number 5. Oh. This shingle just ripped and it's fully adhered up. I barely lifted it with my fingers. One more. So as you can see in the nailing process of this one shingle, I have now done damage to the shingles right above it. Here with this tear, here with this adhesion rip, this rip when I was getting the final nail out on the right side, and here as I was trying to hammer in second to last nail ripped. So now we have 1, 2, 3 shingles needing to be replaced as I just replaced this one. So please take a review at this, take a look at this, and with the amount of damage that's on the back, I do not think repairs on this roof is possible. So please take a review. Thank you.